Hello everyone, welcome to my channel C.S.E.Pathshala. We were studying about Python for machine learning and data science, and in this tutorial we will study about data visualization using Matplotlib. So what is Matplotlib? There is a statement, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Means if we want to say or present something, it's better to show that in a form of a picture, that information in a form of a picture, rather than speaking a lot, presenting a lot of data, and something like that. So, obviously, this concept is very much helpful in the world of machine learning. No matter how large our data set is or how small our data set is, it is very much useful that we can present the data in a form of a visualization and just correlate the data in a image format, so it will be very much fruitful for us in understanding. For example, if you are having a data set that consists of a group of students with their family details, such as we are having examination results, income, educational background of parents, and so on. So that means we are having a certain lot of data available with us, and we just want to establish a relationship between students' results with their family income. So, what is the best way? How to present a relationship? It's better to draw or plot a chart which is easily specifying that what is the actual growth or downfall of any of the parameter which has been taken in our data set. So once the chart is plotted, then it can be used to draw many of the conclusions, and we can determine whether the relationship or the results are in a positive or in a negative way. So in Python, there is one of the most commonly used tool for the data visualization, and that is called as Matplotlib. It's a Python 2D plotting library that can be used to produce publication quality charts and figures and diagrams, something like that. So using Matplotlib, we can create complex charts, figures in a very easy way, and also we can integrate this thing with Jupyter Notebook, which makes it an ideal tool for the machine learning in a form of an implementation. And yes, we are implementing our codes on Jupyter Notebook. So obviously given here as x and y values as we did in the above example. Now the next thing is we are giving title, that is plt.title. In quotation we have given results. So for example, if we are naming this as in the form of a result, so the title will be like this only. And we are also naming or labeling the x-axis as plt.xlabel. So here we did given semester, okay, and then we also want to label or name y-axis also. We given here as plt.ylabel grade. Okay, so the title will be results, x-axis will be semester, and y-axis will be grade. So let's save this code and run this code. So here is the output. This you can see in the form of a title. This is your y-axis and this is your x-axis, and everything is same. Now the next thing is, if you want to perform some styling also, see, still the graph has become informative, but still if you want to make it much more attractive and informative, and we can include certain styles in this graph also. Matplotlib lets us adjustment for every aspect of our plot and create a beautiful charts also. That will be very much helpful. So, but still, if we just add all these things one by one or step by step, so obviously it will be time consuming. We can create beautiful chart, but obviously it is time consuming for adding many steps. So, in order to sort this thing, Matplotlib ships with many number of predefined styles. These styles allow us to create professional looking charts using a predefined look and a feel without any requiring us for customize each element separately of the chart. Okay, so here in the upcoming example we will use ggplot style. This style is based upon a popular data visualization package which is normally used in R programming language for statistical purposes. So let's consider one more code. Again, we just start with the first line, that is percentage matplotlib inline, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. These two lines are same. Now in third line we are stating as from matplotlib import style. So we are importing style package from the matplotlib, and in style we are having ggplot style. So we will use the ggplot style in the form of style.use ggplot. Okay, then what we will do, plt.plot, that means we will take x argument and the y argument. So yes, we are just making or setting the coordinates. Then we are giving here the title in the form of a result, that is plt.title. We are giving label for x, that is plt.xlabel semester, and plt.ylabel grade for the y-axis. Okay, so we did used a style here, that is style.use ggplot. So let's save this code and run this code. This is a much more better graph which we did seen in the previous example. Here we have obtained certainly a grid form also, that means in the form of a grayscale. Also we have much more better visualization of the results line chart. Now the next thing is, it's not that there is only one of the style. Matplotlib is rich of various styles. So we can use style.available property to see the list of styles which are being present or supported. So let's consider one more code to check how many styles are present in Matplotlib. Percentage matplotlib inline, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and then we are using a statement, that is print style.available. So with the help of style we are accessing an object available, and it will print all the values of available styles. So let's save this code and run this code. So here it is. These are certainly the various styles which are available with us. And yes, we can use these styles. It depends upon you whether how you are been performing or you are doing practice. So I did told you about that this is certainly the code of styling the graph and using Matplotlib. So yes, these are certain styles you can practice out and see how the results are obtained. This is all about data visualization using Matplotlib. For this tutorial, we will come up with more informative tutorials on Matplotlib. Thanks for watching. Kindly do subscribe to my channel.